last week we organized a protest, and at the end of the protest, me and a group of other teenagers burned our draft letters. I refused to enlist because my country is committing genocide, and I refuse to participate in genocide.
And when are you supposed to enlist by?
My conscription date is August 17th, so in 18 days. And on that day, I'm going to show up in the enlistment office and declare my refusal.
And what happens then?
I'll probably be sent to military jail.
You took part in a protest the other weekend alongside other young Israelis, and you burnt your draft papers in Tel Aviv. How was that received?
People almost every day since then come up to me and ask me about refusal and if like how could they refuse or get out of the military in other means. And it's gotten a lot of attention both outside like internationally and also in Israel. The night show of the largest mainstream news channel in Israel did a segment on us in which they called us they said we're aiding the enemy. So yeah, it's got a lot of eyes on it.